Vipi, karibu tena katika channel yetu. Hii ni Prolific Survey, definitive human data to deliver world leading research and artificial intelligence. Conduct research or train the next generation of AI with a data set and task completed in just 2 hours by our vetted participant pool. Kwa hiyo website hii ni website ya kuweza kucomplete survey, na baada ya kuweza complete survey basi utaweza kupata pesa zako kulingana na survey ulizozifanya. Run research with confidence based on the highest quality data. Can you get high quality human data to train the next? Studies launch every 3 minutes. Activated participant, research and use, gather reliable. Kwa hapa utaklik sehemu hii ya sign up ili uweze ili uweze kutengeneza account yako free. Utaklik sehemu hiyo ya sign up. Your browser Chrome is out of date. Update your browser. For this you can ignore. What do you want to do in Prolific? Okay, kuna mawili, kuna tech survey, tech studies, alafu kuna run research. Take part in engaging research, earn cash and help improve human knowledge. Run research, recruit people around the world and collect high quality response within a minute. Kwa hiyo hapa utachagua moja kati ya unachotaka kufanya. For instance, you can click on run research. Utajaza fomu hii hapa. Jaza jina lako, jina la kwanza, first name, last name, country, email, password, then agree. Okay, go for instance we can write Venus Babu, then select country. You can select your country here. Kwa hiyo hapa utachagua nchi yako. Which is Tanzania. Work the email. Create your password. Then click I am. Must be at least 10 character. Then click sign up. Kwa hiyo kama jinsi unavyoona tayari tumeshaweza kufungua free account. Sasa you can write name of the company, then type of company or institution, what are the research, and where did you hear about Prolific, get started. So here you can write your company name. You can write others. For instance, Young Blood Family co.tz. What are you researching? Marketing and market research, HR professional assignment, clinical research, machine learning. You can click this. What are you intending to use Prolific for? AI safety, AI policy, AI ethic, generating training data. This. Where did you hear? Community forums, social media, Twitter. Then get started. The field is required, types of company, institution, others, non-profit. Get started. Verify your email address. Okay, so tayari tumeshaanza kufungua akaunti yetu kama jinsi unavyoona. Welcome, take a look around and set up a study. Your account require approval to add money or publish a study. Your account require approval to add money or publish a study. Verify your email address. Then you can verify your email. Ukija kwenye finance utaweza kuona balance, lakini kuna project